sister, Casey, and we are gonna make this sticky slime smoothie, and then we are gonna eat it. So first up, we are gonna put all these marshmallows in. What's next, Casey?
Next, we need to microwave it for 30 seconds. Oh my gosh.
Next up, what, Casey?
Okay, so next, we have to add this oil. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil. Next, we're gonna stir. Next, we're gonna add in some cornstarch.
Then we're gonna pour it in. All of it?
Pour it all in, and then we'll stir it.
Good.
Good. Then you get to add in as many drops of food coloring.
That was embarrassing. 1, 2, 3. Stir.
Stir it up.
It looks so green already. Until it's all green, it's finished, right?
And then you get to add your sprinkles and sparkles and gummy candies.
And then?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna add these sprinkles. And then we're gonna use these gold ones. And then we're gonna put some gummies. Finger. Eyeball. And another eyeball. It's looking so good already. So we are gonna use gold for. All of it?
All of it.
Then we are gonna use these. And open. All of it. Gummies. Pour it off. Make a witch. You got a brain. I make a witch making a
Potion.
yeah. Finish.
This is how it came out. Ooh, eat me, Bella.
Here's a finger. Look. Here's a finger. Here's an eye. And a brain. And another eye. And a bow. Bye bye.